Hi, I'm Danny Malks. I'm VP of Application Platform Engineering here at JackBe, and I'm going to talk to you today about enterprise mashups with Oracle. This is a pretty common use case we see with our customers, and I think if you talk to any CFO of a global organization, they're likely to tell you a similar story to this, and I'm interested to hear if you have similar stories yourselves. So what we're looking at here is an organization that has multiple instances of Oracle packaged applications, in this case Oracle Siebel for CRM, JD Edwards and PeopleSoft for managing their financials where they're tracking existing customers, and Oracle E-Business Suite, an ERP system, where they're managing sales. So what an organization might want to do is they might want to merge information from multiple financials. And they might want to bring those together. Those might not even be co-located in the same city. And they might want to bring that information together with information from their CRM system, where they might be tracking qualified opportunities. Now this would give them the intersection of customers who have purchased product from them before, where they currently have qualified leads. Now what they might want to do at that point then is create a filter where they're filtering out all but the active accounts in that group. And then they might want to once again intersect that with the information from their sales tracking system so that they can look at who has ownership of the accounts that match this criteria. Now once they've done that, they're going to want to be able to share this information with others securely in their organization. Because a critical thing about enterprise mashups is not just creating it, but what you do with it once you've created it. Now, they're going to potentially want to share this in a lot of different ways. They might want to share it in their enterprise portal, whether that's Oracle Web Center, whether that's BEA WebLogic, whether that's Oracle Portal. It might be Microsoft SharePoint. They might want to share this in an Excel spreadsheet. They might want to share this in a mobile environment via an iPhone or some other mobile device. They also might want to share this in their blogs or in their wikis in the organization, any web-friendly environment. And finally, they might want to make this available as part of their service layer, as part of their SOA. So the critical thing to think about here is not only are they creating this enterprise mashup, and are they able to share it out to the organization in a number of different ways, but they're able to do this extremely rapidly. So we're talking minutes, hours, days here, and weeks, not months and years, to create this solution. Additionally, we're talking about a very dynamic solution. So we're talking about the fact that this information might be needed tomorrow, and we may not know yesterday exactly what information sources we're going to use. Perhaps we want to bring in another information source into this mashup later on. So it's an extremely dynamic solution. It's one where we don't require moving information from all these information sources into a central data store. It's one where we don't require knowing everything up front about this. It's extremely dynamic and it's extremely rapid. And it gives us much better insight into these disparate information sources so that we can make better decisions faster. I think that's the real value of enterprise mashups with Oracle.